We use so many words and phrases in English language, but we forget to use those phrases in our day-to-day life. So today, my video is about those phrases. My name is Ila Shrivastava. I welcome you with a very big heart. Today, during this video, I'm going to bring the 5 phrases to you. So moving ahead, my first phrase is sells like hot cakes. What is the meaning of sell? Sell means when you're buying something, and cake means a sweet. So it's about something which is selling very fast in the market. For example, the new launch model of Hyundai car sold like hot cake. That means the car is very interesting and the people, they bought this car and now it is no more in the market because it sold like hot cake. Another example I can give from day-to-day life is, let's talk about the movie Sayara. The tickets of the movie Sayara sold like hot cake. Now, the second phrase is work against the clock. What does it mean, work against the clock? It means to do something in hurry. With half of my syllabus left, I work against the clock to appear for my exam on Monday. That means my half of the syllabus was left and my exam was scheduled on Monday. So what I did is I worked against the clock. I hurriedly completed my syllabus. The third phrase is cry for a moon. Now what is moon? Can we get moon? No, we cannot get moon. So it means we want something or demanding something that is impossible. For example, on your birthday, you're asking your parents to buy Bentley car for you. So we can put it in this way. So on your 13th birthday, you cried for a Bentley car. But anyhow, it is not possible for your parents because you're just 13. Can they buy? Yes, they can afford. Maybe they can afford. But definitely, they are not going to buy that. Okay. Now, my fourth phrase is move heaven and earth. Move heaven and earth, and this is my favorite phrase because I use it oftenly. It means you're putting so much hard work in something. That means you're putting your efforts. To submit my project on Monday, I moved heaven and earth. Now, the fifth one is left out in the cold. It means to be ignored. I felt bad when I left out in the cold when my cousins did not invite me for the lunch. Or I can put it this way, I felt left in the cold when my cousins did not invite me for the lunch. So this is for all today. Thank you so much and we are going to meet soon. Bye-bye.